Yeah, Sunny, are you ready?
Yeah. Hi guys.
Hello, Sunny.
Hi Mom.
Sunny, do you know what are we doing today?
We making the flower.
Making some flowers? Yes. Sunny, look. Wow, today we have so many colors. Sunny, what color is this?
White.
White. And
Purple.
purple. And
Yellow.
yellow. And what
And
color is this?
red.
Red. Yes, Sunny, do you know what that?
And vegetable.
Yeah, but Sunny, do you know what is the name of this vegetable?
Gata.
This vegetable's name, bok choy.
Choy.
Sunny, what we have to do it with the bok choy to make flour? Sunny, look. Mommy have a knife. Very dangerous for the baby. Sunny need to be careful, okay? Today, Mommy will help Sunny to keep it, okay? This vegetable name is a bok choy.
Choy.
Yes, and now we need to cut the bok choy and get them. Sunny, look, let Mommy do it, okay? Mommy cut it. Very. Wow. Sunny, do you see it look like flour? Yes. We get it to cook, okay? And now more. Be careful. Wow, Mommy have one more. Sunny, do you like vegetable?
Yes.
Vegetable is very good for health because it's very rich in vitamins and minerals, right?
Do we need this?
Yes, it's the last one. Wait for me. Wow. And now, Sunny, do you know what that?
Chopping pot.
Yes, Mommy take it away. But Sunny, do you know what color is this?
Black.
Yes, and what color is this?
White.
Yes, we use the black first. Need to
Black.
dip this stem into color. And what color Sunny choose?
One
White? Okay,
Yeah.
white first. Okay, Sunny dip. And then Sunny bring it. Okay, be careful. And now Sunny take it out. Be careful. Wow! Enough. And now Sunny. Okay, Sunny. And now Sunny can take it out. Wow! It's nice. Okay, Sunny want to change the color. Be careful. Be careful. Okay, Sunny take it out gently. Ooh, wow! Sunny wants more?
Yeah.
And now Sunny take it out and print it. Yeah. Sunny want to change another color?
Yeah.
What colors it is now?
One yellow.
Get it out. Okay. Okay, done. Enough.
Me.
Oh, Mommy need to draw some stem. Oh, wow.